So in our previous videos, we talked about substitution method and elimination method of simultaneous equation. So today we want to look at some questions that could be thrown to us by WAEC or NECO or JAMB. Yes, questions like fractional simultaneous equation. So if you have a fractional simultaneous equation like this, how do you solve it? So we are doing it, we are going to solve it. So, and to solve it is very easy. So just follow the steps. I will try to make all the workings explicit for you to know how to maneuver your way, and I'm going to tell you where you can get more questions to solve in case you want to practice. So first is that you find the LCM of this denominator, which is going to be 8, and this will be used to multiply this. So, and that is what will give you equation 3. So now let's derive our equation 3 and equation 4. So this will give us equation 4, while this gives us equation 3. So now let's do that. So 88 that's 5x, and this 4 times y minus 4y is equal to, then this multiplies this, and that's going to give us 2. Because if you do the math, let's do the short math here. That's 1 over 4 times 8 over 1. That's here 1, here 2. So that is going to be 2. Now you have seen how we got that 2. So this will name it equation 3. And the next one is to derive our equation 4. So the LCM, do not forget, is 15. The LCM is 15, so now let's use it to derive equation 4. 3 in 15, that's 5. 5 times 2, that's 10. That becomes 10x, and this is minus 5 in 15, 3. 3 times that is 9y is equal to, then we multiply the whole of this by 15. So that is also going to give us 2. So that becomes our equation 4. So at this stage, we have made everything to be normal simultaneous equation that we used to know. So, and that's the goal. So to eliminate, let's multiply equation 1 by 10 and multiply equation 2 by 5. So that means we are working towards eliminating x. So that's, let's multiply this by 10. That becomes 50x minus 40y is equal to 20, and the next one, that becomes 50x minus 45y is equal to that is 10. Yes, is equal to 10. So at this stage, do not forget, if you've watched our previous videos on our elimination method, you will notice that when you have the same sign, you take away. But do not forget that when you are subtracting, you need to take cognizance of the fact that your subtraction sign will neutralize all the signs you have here. So if your negative multiplies this, is going to be plus. So, and you can apply your directed number, and this is going to be taken away. So now let's take away. So by the time this adds minus, so plus 50x minus 50x, this cancels each other out, and this becomes plus 5y. That's going to be 5y is equal to 10. Yes, 20, take away this, that's plus 20 minus 10. So at this stage, we divide both sides. That means our y will be equal to 10 divided by 5, and that's 2. So our y is 2. So how do we now get our x? So let's derive our x from equation 2 or equation 1, any of the equations, or yes, equation 3 or 4 will be perfect for us. So let's take equation 4, equation 4, the one we've derived, so that it will be easier for us. We have 10x, so let's substitute, spelling rubbish here, substitute for x, and now let's substitute for x, also substitute for y in equation 1. So that's equation 4 rather. So that's 10x minus 9y is equal to 2. So anywhere we see y, we put that 2. Yes, we put that 2. So that becomes our y, our 10x 10x minus bracket minus 9 into bracket of 2 is equal to 2. So we multiply this. That becomes 10x minus 18. When you multiply this, that gives you 18 is equal to 2. And we collect the like terms, that's 10x will be equal to 2 plus 18. So 10x is equal to plus 18 rather, it is 18. So 10x is equal to 20, and we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 10. So meaning x will be equal to 20 divided by 10, and x is equal to 2. So as you have seen it now, our x is 2, our 10, our y is 2, meaning that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So now let's check. Let's check if the answer is correct or wrong. Let's check if the answer is correct or wrong. So you can check using our equation 1 or any of the equations that has been derived. So once you use that, you get your correct answer. Let's use our equation 1. So equation 1 says 5x divided by 8 is minus y over 2 is equal to quarter is equal to 1 over 4. Yes, 1 over 4. So when we are done working, we get this. So let's substitute our x and y into the equation that we have to get quarter. So that becomes 5 times 2, because our x is 2, and divided by 8 minus y, which is 2, divided by 2. Yes, let's simplify that. So that gives us 10 divided by 8. Yes, minus 1. Yes, these divided by each other will be 1 over 1. So we are driving at quarter. Let's do that. Take the LCM, which is 8, and that becomes 10 minus 8, and that will give us 2 over 8. Take it to the lowest term, and you arrive at 1 over 4. So you can see that our answer is correct. So that's a check. So to get more questions, you may actually go to the understanding math for senior secondary 2. That's that's SS2 math. You can see more questions there. I believe you will also see more in NECO mathematics, so you can just go there to check and practice more questions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You want